Hey friends, welcome back to Millionaire Mindset TV, the home of money tips, business strategies, and the mindset that makes you unstoppable. If you're new here, don't just scroll away. Hit that subscribe button and join the family of dreamers and doers. Today's video? Oh, this one is fire. How to build a personal brand as an entrepreneur. And believe me, this right here is a game changer. Here's the truth. People don't just buy products. They buy into people. Think Elon Musk, Oprah, Dangote, even the local entrepreneur you admire. Their personal brand makes people trust them, follow them, and support them. So, your personal brand? It's the story people tell about you when you're not in the room. Step 1. Define who you are. Write it down. What do I stand for? What values drive me? What problem do I solve? If your brand doesn't answer those questions, people won't know why they should care. Step 2. Share your story. People connect with stories, not just products. If you failed twice before succeeding, tell it. If you started your hustle with just $50 at a dream, share it. Your story makes you human, and humans, we connect with humans more than logos. Step 3. Consistency. Your personal brand should look and feel the same everywhere. Your social media, your website, even the way you introduce yourself at events. When people see you, they should immediately say, "Yep, that's their brand." That's how trust is built. Step 4. Add value everywhere. Please don't just post selfies of you eating pizza. Give knowledge, share tips, teach something that helps people. The more value you give, the more authority you earn. And authority, my friends, is the heart of a powerful personal brand. Final step, be real. Don't copy anyone else's voice. Your uniqueness is your greatest strength. People can smell fake from a mile away, so be authentic, be you, and watch your brand grow. So here's the truth. Your personal brand isn't about looking fancy online. It's about trust, authority, and opportunity. Build it right, and doors will open that you never imagined. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, drop a comment with the step you're working on, and share this with a friend chasing their dream. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to Millionaire Mindset TV for more finance, investment, business, and entrepreneurship lessons. Because your mindset determines your millionaire lifestyle.